Hello biologists, welcome to today's A-Level Biology Daily Revision Task. In today's task, you're asked to produce a concept map on the structure of the human brain and the functions of its parts. So, the thalamus, which is a vital structure lying deep within the brain that has several important functions. There are extensive nerve networks that send signals all around the structures of the brain, including the cerebral cortex. The thalamus is involved in sensory and motor signal relay and regulation of consciousness and sleep. Aside from the sense of smell and other sensory processes involved in thalamic nucleus receiving a sensory signal which is then directed to the relevant cortical areas. The thalamus plays a role in controlling the motor systems of the brain, which are responsible for vocabulary and bodily movement. The cerebral hemisphere is one half of the cerebrum, the part of the brain that controls muscular functions and also controls speech, thought, emotions, reading, writing and learning. The right hemisphere controls muscles on the left hand side of the body and the left hemisphere controls muscles on the right hand side of the body. The midbrain is a portion of the central nervous system associated with vision, hearing, motor control and temperature regulation. The hypothalamus produces many of the body's hormones. The pituitary gland is part of the endocrine system and produces critical hormones, which are chemical substances that control various bodily functions. The pons are situated between several areas of the brain. They help relay messages from the cortex and the cerebrum. The medulla carries out and regulates life-sustaining functions such as breathing, swallowing, and heart rate. The spinal cord connects a large part of the peripheral nerve system to the brain. And the cerebrum receives information from sensory receptors, the spinal cord, and other parts of the brain, and then regulates motor movement. The cerebrum coordinates voluntary movements such as posture, balance, coordination, and speech. Hopefully, this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.